Today we are going to learn some problem in a problem set 4a. आज आपण सराव प्रश्नसंच 4a मधील उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. मागील काही तासामध्ये आपण जीएसटी चे प्रकार, हाउ टू फाइंड जीएसटी अमाउंट, इनपुट टॅक्स, आउटपुट टॅक्स, टोटल अमाउंट या संबंधी माहिती आणि उदाहरणे पाहिलेली आहेत. First problem in a problem set 4a. Write the correct alternative for each of the following. खालीलपैकी योग्य तो पर्याय निवडा. Rate of GST on essential commodities is dash dash. Essential commodities म्हणजे अत्यावश्यक गरजा असणाऱ्या वस्तूवर जीएसटी किती असतो? 0%. According to Central Board of Excise and Customs, the rate of GST on essential commodities is a 0%. Option C is the correct answer, 0%. Second, the tax levied by the central government for trading within a state is dash dash. केंद्रीय किंवा केंद्र सरकारासाठी राज्यामध्ये जसा एसजीएसटी असतो तसा केंद्र सरकारासाठी कोणता टॅक्स असतो? द टॅक्स लिव्ड बाय द सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर ट्रेडिंग सेंट्रल गुड्स अँड सर्व्हिस टॅक्स, दॅट इज सीजीएसटी. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Third, GST system was introduced in our country from which days to start GST in our country? GST system was introduced on the 1st July 2017. Option D is the correct option. Number 4, the rate of GST on stainless steel utensils is 18%. Then the rate of state GST is dash dash. Half of the GST rate is the rate of state GST. Is the half of 18 is the 9%. Therefore, rate of GST is 9%. Option B is the correct option. Next, in the format of GSTIN, there are alpha numerals. How many alpha numerals contained in a GSTIN? That is 15 alpha numerals. Option number A is the correct answer. Next, when registered dealer sell goods to another registered dealer under GST, then this trading is termed as. डीलर टू डीलरचा जो बिझनेस आहे त्याला आपण B2B असे म्हणतो. The trading when dealer sell goods to another dealer under GST is termed as business to business, that is B2B. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 2 in a problem set 4a. A dealer gave 10% discount on a showpiece of rupees 2,500. GST of 28% was charged on the discount price. Find the total amount show in the tax invoice what is the amount of CGST and SGST. एका डीलरने 2500 रुपये किमतीच्या शोपीसवरती 10% सूट दिली. जीएसटी चार्ज 28% आहे. फाइंड दी टोटल अमाउंट शो इन द टॅक्स इनवॉइस. तर एकूण किंमत किती या कर प्रणालीमध्ये त्या शोपीसची आणि अमाउंट ऑफ सीजीएसटी आणि एसजीएसटी किंमत किती. सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लेम. डिस्काउंट इज गिवन 10%. The discount amount of 10% of rupees 25,000. Discount amount is 10% of rupees 25,000. 25,000 multiply 10%. 25,000 multiply 10 upon 100. 20 get cancel. 250 into 10 is a 2,500 is the amount of discount. When the taxable value is 25,000 minus discount is a 2,500, then we get 22,500 is the taxable value of showpiece. The rate of GST is given in a problem 28%. Therefore, GST amount is equal to taxable value multiply rate of GST. Taxable amount is a 22,500 multiply 28%. 22,500 multiply 28 upon 100. 20 get cancelled. 225 multiply 28. Then we get 3,600 is the GST amount. To find the total amount in the tax invoice, total amount is equal to taxable amount plus amount of GST. 22,500 plus 6,300. GST amount is a 3,600. Total amount is equal to taxable amount plus amount of GST. Taxable amount is a 22,500 and GST amount is a 6,300. Then we get 28,800. This is the total amount in tax invoice. And what is the amount of CGST and SGST? The amount of CGST and SGST is the half of amount of GST. Therefore, here amount of SGST is equal to CGST is equal to 6,300 upon 2. Then we get 3,150. This is the answer. Question number 3. A ready-made garment shopkeeper gives 5% discount on the dress of rupees 1,000 and 5% GST on a remaining amount. Then what is the purchase price of the dress for the customer? Meaning of this problem. एका रेडीमेड गारमेंटच्या दुकानदाराने 1,000 रुपये ड्रेसच्या किमतीवर 5% डिस्काउंट दिला आणि उर्वरित रकमेवर 5% जीएसटी आकारला. तर त्या ग्राहकासाठी त्या ड्रेसची खरेदी किंमत किती? Solution. Discount is given by shopkeeper is a 5%. Discount 5% of 1,000. 1,000 रुपयावर 5% डिस्काउंट म्हणजे किती? 1,000 multiply 5%. 1,000 multiply 5 upon 100. Then we get 10 into 5. 20 get cancelled. Then 10 into 5 is equal to 50 rupees. This is the discount given by shopkeeper to customer is a rupees 50. Therefore, taxable value is the printed price minus discount. 1,000 minus 50 is equal to 950. This is the taxable value. GST payable. The rate of GST is a 5%. Therefore, GST payable amount is a 950 multiply 5%. 950 multiply 5 upon 100. 10 get cancelled. 5 multiply to 95. Then we get 47.50 is the value of GST amount or amount of GST. Purchase price for the customer is equal to taxable value plus GST. Taxable value is 950 plus 47.50. Its sum is 997.50 rupees. This is the purchase price for the customer. Question number 4. A trader from Surat, Gujarat, sold cotton clothes to trader in Rajkot, Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton cloth is rupees 2.5 lakh. What is the amount of GST at 5% paid by the trader in Rajkot? एक व्यापारी सुरत, गुजरात, गुजरातमधील सुरत या ठिकाणावरून खादी कपडेचा व्यापार राजकोटमध्ये करतो. जर समजा कॉटनच्या कपड्याची किंमत 2.5 लाख असेल तर त्यावर 5% दराने GST किती? The taxable value of cotton cloth is 2.5 lakh. 2.5 lakh means 2,50,000. Rate of GST is a 5%. Therefore, GST amount is 2,50,000 multiply 5%. 2,50,000 multiply 5 upon 100, 20 get cancelled. 2,500 multiply 5, then we get 12,500. This is the GST amount paid by the trader in a Rajkot. Problem number 5. Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of rupees 85,000. She sold them for rupees 90,000. The rate of GST is a 5%. Find the ITC of Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? Meaning of this problem. श्रीमती मल्होत्रा यांनी एक सोलार पॅनल 85,000 रुपये किमतीचे घेतले. अँड सी सोल्ड देम, आणि त्यांनी ते 90,000 रुपयाला विकले. द रेट ऑफ GST इज 5%. GSTचा दर 5% असेल. फाइंड दी ITC ऑफ श्रीमती मल्होत्रा. श्रीमती मल्होत्रासाठी ITC किती म्हणजे इनपुट टॅक्स. What is the amount of GST payable by her? तिने किती GST अमाउंट भरलेली आहे. इनपुट टॅक्स, द टॅक्स पेड ॲट द टाइम ऑफ परचेस, वस्तू विकत घेताना दिलेला टॅक्स. इनपुट टॅक्स इज 85,000 multiply rate of GST is a 5%. 85,000 multiply 5 upon 100, 20 get cancel. 850 multiply 5 is equal to 4,250. ITC is the same as input tax. Therefore, ITC is equal to 4,250. When she sold them for rupees 90,000. Therefore, output tax is the tax paid at the time of sale. 90,000 multiply 5% is equal to 90,000 multiply 5 upon 100, 20 get cancel. 900 multiply 5 is equal to 4,500. This is output tax. GST payable is output tax minus ITC. Therefore, output tax is a 4,500 minus ITC is the 4,250. Therefore, 250 is the GST payable amount. Today's homework. Unity Electronics sold 5 mobiles, each of taxable value of rupees 7,200. If the rate of GST is at 12%, then find the amount of CGST and the amount of SGST.